Hello, in this video, you'll be learning how to restrict members on Telegram group. Do you want to restrict member from posting on your Telegram group? Do you want to restrict members on posting in your Telegram group? This is how you do it. Just before we head straight into the video, if you are new to this channel, ensure to subscribe to the channel and also turn on the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on any of our recent uploads. And most importantly, do not forget to give us a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. So let's go straight into it. So we have the Telegram app opened. So you want to go straight into your group that you don't want members posting, or you want to restrict members. So what you need to do is just click on the group icon, and click on the group icon again, and you can find the pencil icon on you can find the pencil icon in the top right hand corner. So you click on it and you want to go to permissions. Click on permissions, and on permission you get to find, you click on permissions, and on permission you get to find certain options, among which are send text message, send media, add user, and I think the other ones here are locked, create topics. So it depends on the restrict. Now, with these options checked, you want to uncheck them. If you don't want members posting on your group, or you want to restrict members in your Telegram group, all you need to do is just to uncheck the send text messages. So you just get to uncheck that, and as soon as you uncheck that, you click on the check icon in the top right hand corner, and that saves it all. Now, this is how you restrict members in Telegram group. If you find this video helpful, let me know what you think in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, do not hesitate to give me a thumbs up, and also I'd like to know what you think in the comment section. Do have a wonderful time, and I look forward to seeing you all in other videos. Bye for now.